Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is your Lutabots assembly guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Busado. So once you've cut out all the parts and folded all the broken lines, add some glue to that main tab of the main body. It's the biggest tab you see there. So use the Foldabots applicator to flatten out the glue in those areas. And curl the robot body like so to build a rectangular prism. So it helps if you push from the inside of the robot model going out while you're pressing it in with your thumbs, and that way you can get the glue to stick nicely. So once that thing's set in place, put some glue in the regions that says T1 until T4. Those are for the tires. Now, the tires are all interchangeable, so you can put it in any place that you want. So here goes. One. So just like when you did the main body, it's nice to press it from the inside part so you can give it a nice squeeze. So that's 1 and 2. And the other side would be 3 and 4. Okay, I'm missing one tire. Hang on. There we go. So the 4th tire is in. And then set that aside. And now we're gonna make a new shape called a cone. So this drill is in a cone shape, so when you roll it, it has to be slanted like this, and just keep on rolling it in a skewed way so that it stays kind of like this, like an ice cream cone. Then put some glue on the tab that says drill, like that. So it can get a little messy because the shape isn't straight, but as long as you hold it in well, like so, you can cover up the entire tab that says drill. So I'm kind of struggling here a bit because of the pointy part, like so, but it helps if you keep on massaging those parts until it stays that way. Okay. So careful when building this because the tip of the cone of this drill can get really spiky. There we go. So let's rest it here a bit, and we're up for the arms right now. Now Busado's arms have claws on their tips. So first put glue on the region that says claw, and then put the triangular red thing on that part. Make sure it's nice and folded already, and then you can just curl this up to make realistic looking claws. See, nice and snappy. Do the same thing on the other side, like so. Curl it up a bit and test the snappiness. This is good. And then put glue on the opposite side of the arm labels. Again, they are both the same pattern, so you can put them in either left or the right side. There we go, right in front of the bus, like this. So make sure it's nice and dry before you turn it around, and put the cone somewhere here so that it sticks out from the back of his head. Now if you happen to make something that's a bit too loose, then feel free to push in the front face of the bus to act as a stopper. Now let's take him for a spin. So this is Busado in bus mode. And here he is in robot mode. There you go. Lutabot Busado. Thank you for watching.